discuss the nature, goals, and perspective of anthropology, sociology, and political science. First, we need to know what is anthropology. Anthropology is the study, analysis, and description of humanity's past and present. All in all, anthropology is the study of humankind. Second is, what is anthropology's nature? The nature of anthropology can be viewed from its historical perspective because it is a global discipline involving humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences. Now let's move on. What is anthropology's goals? There are 5 anthropology's goals, which are to comprehend the fossil record of early people and their precursors, just as the archaeological record of later ancient social orders. The second goal is to understand how we adapt to different environmental conditions and how we vary as a species. For the third goal is to comprehend the conduct of monkeys and gorillas in their regular settings. Where the fourth goal is to find out about both the natural and social parts of humankind all throughout the planet and all through time. And for the last goal of anthropology is to apply anthropological information to help forestall or take care of issues of living people groups, including destitution, substance addiction, and HIV or AIDS. Aside from nature and goals of anthropology also has perspectives, and the key anthropological perspectives are holism, relativism, comparison, and fieldwork. There are also both scientific and humanistic tendencies within the discipline that at times conflict with one another. Now we're gonna talk what is sociology. Sociology is the scientific investigation of human culture and social behavior. Sociology is a discipline in social sciences concerned about human society and human social activities. After we know what is sociology, now let's discuss the sociologist's nature. Sociology is concerned with is, not with what should be. Sociology is an empirical discipline like physics, chemistry, or mathematics, and not as an applied science like engineering or computer science. And from nature, sociologists also have some goals. These are to understand how membership in one social group affects individual being, understand how cultures and institutions interact in different societies, to understand the meaning and consequences of modernity, postmodernity, and the new globalization. Understand the causes and consequences of social change in terms of general causes and effects as well as unique historical circumstances. Understand the causes and consequences of population composition and pressures and how population affects the environment and development of societies. And lastly, to provide information that reflects upon different policy initiatives, where the ultimate goal is to acquire knowledge about society like all the other social sciences discipline. What is sociology's perspective? Which is the fundamental knowledge of sociology is that human conduct is molded by the gatherings to which individuals have a place and by the social communication that happens inside those gatherings. For us to know what is political science, the political science is the study of nature, causes, and consequences of collective decisions and actions taken by groups of people embedded in cultures and institutions that structure power and authority. After we know what is political science, let us now discuss what is its nature. The political science nature is concerned with the theory and practice of politics and the description and analysis of political systems and political behavior. And then, what is political science goals? There are 3 goals of political science, which are the concern with the process of growth, industrialization and change, and the impact on government forms and policies. to describe how various political systems function and to find more effective political systems. And lastly is to measure the success of governance and its specific policies by examining many factors including stability, justice, and material wealth. Before I end this discussion, the political science perspective. Political science perspective is methodologically diverse and appropriates many methods originating in psychology, social research, and cognitive neuroscience. And that was it. Thank you for watching. Adios!